In this video, we will take a deep look at a very important question asked in interviews and which most candidates fail to answer: the difference between default and protected access specifiers in Java. One difference is that when a variable or method does not have any access specifier, it has default access, while protected access is provided through protected keyword. Other difference is in terms of their visibility or accessibility. Let's understand the difference practically. Create two packages, com.p1 and com.p2. Inside com.p1 package, create two classes, main and class A. Inside com.p2, create a class, class B. In class A, define a variable. This variable does not have any access specifier and so has a default access. Similarly, in class B, define another variable with default access. Now, let's create a method in main class. Create an object of class A and try to access the default variable. It is visible because both the classes are in the same package. Create an object of class B. Since this class is in a different package, we need to import it. Access its default variable. Look, it is not visible, and look at the compiler error which says that the field is not visible. So, a variable with default access specifier is visible or accessible in its own package only. Now, let's change the access specifier of the variable in class A to protected. We can still access it without any problem. So, protected access specifier is visible in the same package. Now change the access specifier of variable in class B to protected. It is still not visible. This is because protected members of different package can be accessed only through inheritance. That is, only by the child classes. So, let's make this class as a child class of class B. Second point to remember is that protected members of a class can be accessed by the objects of child class. So, if we change the type of this object to child class, look, it is visible. Same logic applies to methods and static variables as well, with a slight difference for static variables. Let's add a static variable to class B. Now try to access it using the child class. No problem till this point. But let's change this to parent class name. It is still accessible. So, in a different package, protected static variables can be accessed by the child and the parent class as well. And protected non-static variables can be accessed only by the child class or through inheritance. Remember that the class in different package needs to extend the class containing the protected variable. That is, if we remove this relationship, look, the field is not visible. To summarize, with default or no access specifier, the fields or methods are visible in the same package. With protected access specifier, the fields and methods are visible in the same package and to child classes in a different package. But they should be accessed only through the child object. That is all for this video. Hope it was useful.